the picture so we can proceed with the further questions, Madam Chair. Annex H, please. Ito po, Ginoong Monsayak, ano po itong litrato po na ito? It appears to be a certificate to Attorney Reynold Monsayak.
Opo sir, meron po kaming 15 nabigyan ng ganyan. Isa po si Attorney Reynold Bunsaya kasi yung effort po niya sa Easy Pilipinas.
Siguro magandang basahin niyo po for the record, sino ho yung mga nakapirma dito sa certificate na inaward para kay Attorney Monsayak?
Si Lord Essex Gongora Pulintan po, ang presidente ng Easy Pilipinas. Na kilala rin po ni BP Sara. Lagi niyang kasama. Tapos si Attorney Ryan po, yung professor ni BP Sara nasa Office of the Ombudsman. Tapos ako po yung founder tsaka national convener po. Ako po yung nag-integrate lahat ng po na regional EC.
Sino po si Essex Polintan?
Presidente po ng EC Pilipinas.
Would you know ano nang ginagawa niya ngayon?
Na-stroke po, sir. Dahil sa nangyari din sa amin lahat.
Okay. Next slide, please. Annex I. Okay. Siguro maganda ipaliwanag po ninyo itong litrato na ito. Ano po yung kahalagahan ng litrato na ito sa inyo pong supplemental affidavit?
Congressman Redon, please confine to clarificatory question. Only as to what appears in the picture.
Yes, who appears in the picture?
Si Attorney Reynold Monsayak po, yung OBP, spokesman na po siya niyan. Tsaka si Attorney Ryan Kilala po, Office of the Ombudsman.
Ano po yung hawak ni Attorney Monsayak dyan?
Ayan po yung pinirmahan ko, sir, pinagawa ko sa sekretary ko. 15 piraso po yan. Yung isa po napunta sa kanya.
So ano po yung event na nangyari po dyan? Yan po yung awarding? Tama
Opo,
po ba?
awarding po.
Panghuli, saan po yan nangyari?
Sa Nomu Bosyo po.
Yan din po ba yung sinasabi ninyo na pinaglagakan niyo po ng pera?
Yes, sir. Opo.
Okay, next slide please. Annex J. Ito po, ano naman po ito?
Dito po ako nakaupo sa harapan, second row, kaya ako po yung nagpicture nito.
Ano po ang event na meron po dyan?
The inauguration po ni BP Sara.
Saan po ito?
Sa Davao po, sa Cathedral.
Alright.
Ito po ako.
Pwede
Andito
pakituro po kung saan ho kayo nakaupo.
Sa second row po, nung linya, first sila Harry Roque po. Lumayo po kay Harry Roque nun kasi nag-away, nagkasagutan na po kami. Lumipat po ako sa second row, katabi ko si Director Distor ng NBI.
Okay, punta ko tayo sa Annex J1. Ano naman po ito?
Hindi ko na po pero ito po yung sinabi sa, opo, na-flash po to sa GC namin. Nagpapasalamat lang po, Madam Chair, si BP Sara.
Saan po siya nagpapasalamat?
Sa akin po, ito po, Dear Dr. Madriaga.
Bakit po siya nagpapasalamat sa inyo?
Yung sa pag-attend ko po sa inauguration niya.
Alright, okay. Annex K. Ito naman po, ano po itong mga litrato na pinapakita?
Ginagamit ko po sa delivery po.
Ng ano po? Ano po yung dinideliver, Mr. Madriaga?
Mga pera po.
Yan po ba yung ginamit doon sa delivery ng confidential funds?
Ito po yung FJ ko po. Nasa pangalan ko po pareho.
Alright. Annex K1. This is the last picture, Madam Chair. Yan naman po, ano po ito?
Sa Bicol po yan, yung ban po ng Bicol yan kasi nakamags po, iba po yung sa akin dala ko. Iba-iba po ng gulong kaya hindi po, sa Bicol po yan o sa Naga. Sa Naga po, o Camarines, yung isip po doon, may sarili rin po silang ganito. 4 po yung binili kong ban para maging ganito.
Alright. Thank you for your responses. Madam Chair, we can ask Mr.
Yes. You may go back to your
Madriaga
seat.
to return so that we can
Just for the record,
wrap up
both
my
the
questions.
affidavit, the supplemental, and its attached pictures are adopted as part of the records of the proceeding of this impeachment complaint.
Madam Chair, parang may napansin po ako kanina at hindi na pa...
Honorable De Lima,
I'm sorry. Thank you, Madam Chair. Meron po ako napansin kanina na parang hindi na ipakita dyan, yung about yung pag-greet ng happy birthday. I think I saw it.
Honorable De Lima is looking for that video where the VP is greeting happy birthday Ramil Madriaga.
It
Can
was-
you answer that, Mr. Madriaga? Is that part of your impeachment complaint,
it was
of your
most likely
affidavit?
shown.
Hindi po, para i-prove lang po na yung relation namin sa EC Pilipinas. Kasi sa GC po yan ang isip na i-post.
Okay.
Ang GC po namin private, mga officers lang po.
But this is not part of the pictures attached to your supplemental affidavit, the video.
I'm not sure, Madam Chair. Hindi po ako yung nag...
Would you like to submit that, Honorable De Lima, in
I
your
saw-
capacity as endorser of this impeachment complaint?
Madam Chair, I was looking at the screen earlier and I saw that instantly while the scrolling is being done.
Yes, I recall.
Yes, there
So
is
can,
such... There is
operator, can we go back to the set of pictures and videos? If the video of the Vice President greeting happy birthday Ramil Madriaga is among those, if so, kindly flash it in the screen. The members saw that video of happy birthday of the Vice President to Ramil Madriaga. May we know from the committee secretariat if that is part of the attachments to the supplemental affidavit of Ramil Madriaga?
I saw it earlier.
Hello. Madam Chair, the video that is being raised by Kong De Lima is not part of the supplemental affidavit of Madriaga.
But I could not be mistaken when I saw that.
Honorable De
This
Lima, although it was played,
flash. It was
the
flashed.
COMSEC confirms that it is not part of the attachment to the supplemental affidavit. You may consider to submit it in your capacity as endorser of the third impeachment complaint.
Yes, Madam Chair. So if it was...
Would you like to play it?
Yes, Madam Chair, because
Okay.
I actually saw it.
So on the request of the endorser, Congresswoman De Lima, kindly play that video.
Happy birthday, Sir Ram. I wish you good health and happiness. Happy birthday, Sir Ram. I wish you good health and happiness. Happy birthday, Sir Ram. I wish you good health and happiness.
That should be okay. Honorable De Lima?
Move that it be considered as part of the records. Thank you, Madam Chair.
The COMSEC is directed to receive that video officially to form part of the records of the proceeding of this impeachment complaint.
Madam Chair, Just
The
a very
Honorable
short-
Vice Chair Karen Lagbas.
Yeah, just a very short manifestation, Madam Chair. The impeachment complaints are the foundation of the entire impeachment process. It is the jurisdictional document that confers upon this committee the authority to conduct its hearings. Matters not found from the allegations contained in the complaints are beyond the body's cognizance. Due process dictates that the respondent in case of VP Sara be notified and informed of specific charges against her and the right to answer only those charges. Thus, to allow introduction of matters not charged in the complaints would effectively make this proceedings a fishing expedition. The committee would be acting with grave abuse of discretion. It is therefore my gentle appeal to the members of the Committee on Justice to please refrain from introducing matters which are not relevant to the issues properly before us, and confine our proceedings to the allegations set forth in the Sabala and Cabrera complaints. That's all, Madam Chair.
All right, our parliamentary status is the resource person, Ramil Madriaga, is currently responding to the clarificatory questions of the justice members. May we know if the Honorable Ridon is done with his clarificatory questions?
Just a few more questions, Madam Chair.
You may proceed.
Ngayon naman po, pag-usapan ho natin si Mr. Kilala, Mr. Madriaga, kasi the Vice President herself had stated in a statement na ang tangi lang daw po ninyong kausap dito po sa mga bagay na ito ay si Mr. Kilala lamang po. So we would want to discuss further ito pong relasyon po ninyo kay Attorney Kilala. Ano ho ba yung relasyon po ninyo ni Attorney Kilala, Mr. Madriaga?
Si Attorney Kilala po, unang-una kong na-meet sa San Sebastian sa car show. Doon po kami una nagkakilala sa car show sa San Sebastian. Siya po yung assistant din nun. Nagdala po ko ng kotse ko para isali sa car show. Doon na po nag-start yung friendship namin.
So paano kayo naging malapit sa isa't isa?
Sa kotse po, sa mga sasakyan, pag nagpapagawa po siya sa shop ko. May shop po ako sa Cainta, sa ibang lugar din. Nagpapagawa po siya ng mga kotse na pwede pang sali sa car show.
Alright. Pero paano ho kayo nagkasama doon sa Isip Pilipinas? Kasi magkasama ho kayo doon sa certificate na binigay po kay Attorney Monsayak, hindi ho ba?
Opo, doon po nag-start yung relationship, yung pagiging pagkaibigan namin hanggang naglalaro po kasi ako sa San Sebastian. Lagi rin kami naglalaro sa San Sebastian. Doon po umikot sa basketball tsaka sa kotse. Hanggang Isip Pilipinas po.
Ano yun nga? Pero very important ho kasi na mag-clarify na mula ho doon sa paglalaro ng basketball at cars, mga kotse, lumalim po ito sa politika. Tama po ba?
Opo.
Honorable Ridon,
Opo.
I have to prevent that question because that is probing already.
Yes, I submit.
Please
sorry.
confine to the facts and information which are evident already in his supplemental affidavit, including the pictures attached thereto.
I submit, Madam Chair. Meron pong litrato doon sa inyo pong supplemental affidavit. Yung sinasabi pong kasama po ninyo sa litrato si Mr. and Mrs. Kilala. Tama po ba?
Opo, Madam Chair, Your Honor.
Kailan po ito nangyari?
Hindi ko na po matandaan, Your Honor. Lagi po akong wala sa amin sa bahay.
At ano po yung event nung pong litrato po na yun na magkasama po kayo ni Mr. and Mrs. Kilala?
Kasal po ng eldest son ko, Madam Chair.
Anak po ninyo.
Opo, kasal po ng eldest son ko.
So kailan po yun?
Hindi ko na po matandaan. Siguro po 3 to 4 years ago. Ay, hindi po, mga 6 years ago. 6 or 7 years ago po, Madam Chair.
All right. Madam Chair, I have no further questions. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Ridon.